The stage is set, the excitement is real, and the battle lines are drawn. Sunrisers Hyderabad and Rajasthan Royals, two powerhouses with unfinished business, lock horns in what promises to be a blockbuster IPL 2025 showdown. With revamped squads, fresh strategies, and a hunger for glory, who will seize the upper hand? Let's dive in. Pat Cummins, a proven match winner, came agonizingly close to IPL glory in 2024, only for his Sunrisers Hyderabad to fall to Kolkata Knight Riders in both the qualifier and final. Determined to go one step further, last year's runner-up made some smart buys in the 2025 auction, strengthening their batting depth and bowling attack. Hard hitter Abhinav Manohar joins an explosive lineup, while Mohammad Shami, Harshal Patel, and Adam Zampa bolster the bowling unit. Ishan Kishan replaces Aiden Markram in the middle order, adding experience and firepower. But concerns linger. The bench lacks proven backups, and while Zampa and Rahul Chahar add spin options, neither has dominated in recent years. To clinch their another title, SRH must start strong, rack up early wins, and avoid late season net run rate battles. If they find momentum, they could finally end their IPL trophy drought since 2016. Let's have a look at Cricket Net's predicted 11 for the Sunrisers Hyderabad. Travis Head, Abhishek Sharma, Ishan Kishan, Henrich Klaasen, Nitish Kumar Reddy, Abhinav Manohar, Pat Cummins, Harshal Patel, Mohammad Shami, Adam Zampa, and Rahul Chahar. Rajasthan Royals, the OG IPL champs, are chasing their second title. Last season, they finished third, knocked out RCB but fell to SRH in the eliminator. For IPL 2025, they have retained their core, Sanju Jaiswal, Parag, Jurel, Hetmeyer and Sandeep, while adding firepower with Jofra Archer, Mahesh Theekshana and Wanindu Hasranga. The headline grabber, 13-year-old prodigy Vaibhav Suryavanshi from Bihar, already a sensation in domestic cricket. Their biggest win, Rahul Dravid returns as the head coach, bringing his legendary touch back to RR. With Sanju Samson recovering from a thumb injury, Riyan Parag will captain the first 3 games, while the regular skipper will take part as an impact player. With a rock-solid squad and a cricket icon in charge, RR are serious contenders for IPL 2025 glory. Now, let's have a look at Cricket Next's predicted 11 for Rajasthan Royals. Sanju Samson, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Riyan Parag, Nitish Rana, Dhruv Jurel, Shimron Hetmeyer, Sandeep Sharma, Jofra Archer, Mahesh Theekshana, Wanindu Hasranga and Fazal Farooqi. Now let's talk a bit about the pitch and the weather. The game will take place at the Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium in Hyderabad, which is generally known to provide pitches that favour the batters. Expect high-scoring encounters with average first-inning scores often in the 190 to 200 range. As far as weather is concerned, a clear evening is on the cards at Hyderabad's Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium, with temperature hovering around 32 to 33 degrees Celsius. While conditions should remain dry, a brief passing shower cannot be ruled out during the game. You can follow the live streaming of the Sunrisers Hyderabad and Rajasthan Royals fixture on Star Sports Network and Jio Hotstar mobile app. For behind-the-scene updates, you can switch to Cricket Next anytime. Two top-class teams against each other, which one are you rooting for? Do let us know in the comment section, and for more such updates, keep watching Cricket Next.